Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up Payoneer payment gateway in WooCommerce. This is essential if you want to accept credit and debit card payments through Payoneer on your online store, giving your customers a smooth and secure checkout experience. First, open a browser and head to WordPress.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. This will take you to your WordPress dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your website. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that's connected to your WooCommerce store. Once you're logged in, look at the left navigation menu. You'll see various options for managing your site. Click on WooCommerce from this menu. This will expand a submenu with several WooCommerce specific options. From the expanded options that appear, click on Settings. This is where you'll configure all your store's settings, including payment gateways, shipping, and taxes. Now you're on the WooCommerce settings page. Look at the top part of your screen where you'll see different settings sections arranged as tabs. From the listed options, click on Payments. This tab displays all the payment methods available for your store. Scroll through the list of payment options until you find Payoneer Checkout Midas debit cards. Once you locate it, click on the Complete Setup button on the right side. This button initiates the configuration process for integrating Payoneer with your WooCommerce store. Here's where you'll configure the core settings for Payoneer. Start by enabling the live mode by clicking on the link. It's originally set to disabled mode, so activating this ensures your store can process real transactions through Payoneer. Next, you'll need to fill in the required fields such as API username and API token. These credentials are essential as they connect your WooCommerce store directly to your Payoneer account, allowing secure payment processing. You can obtain these details from your Payoneer account dashboard. Once these fields are configured correctly, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. This finalizes your setup and activates Payoneer as a payment option on your store. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Payoneer Payment Gateway into your WooCommerce store, and your customers can now make purchases using their credit or debit cards. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.